All right, so good afternoon, fifth period.
Good afternoon.
I'm gonna start the timer. Same thing as usual, right? Keep it 15 minutes. I do want to go back to what we did yesterday. Yesterday we worked on body paragraph 1, right? We underlined the topic sentence. We identified the types of facts, and we see how they support the claim. By supporting, they support the reason, and by supporting the reason, you essentially are supporting the claim. So today we're gonna focus on body paragraph 2 and 3, identifying the topic sentences, the types of facts, how they support the reason, and how they support a claim. The reason why we're doing this is because tomorrow or Monday we're gonna take a test on introductory paragraphs and body paragraphs, right? I'm not sure if it's Friday or Monday, but that's what we're working towards. All right, so let's begin. I'm gonna do paragraph 2. All you have to do is annotate, right? Yeah, get the door. All you have to do is annotate. Then we're gonna work on body paragraph 3 together. So let's begin. Body paragraph 2. So when I look at it, right, just the first step 1, is going to be to read the paragraph. Alright, step 1, read the paragraph. Body paragraph 2 states, the second reason we should visit the Science Center is the interactive experiments. In the discovery room, students can use activity kits that help them learn by doing such things as fingerprinting and magnification. There is an activity for investigating climate change in forests and the oceans. Students can study X-rays of people and animals in an activity called X-ray vision. The manager of the Science Center said adults like the kids too. Okay, step 1, I read the paragraph, just like yesterday, right? Step 2 is underline the topic sentence. Where is the topic sentence? Well, from what I recall, it's the first sentence in the body paragraph, here. Alright, everyone should underline the first sentence in the body paragraph. This is our topic sentence. Then I have to ask myself, what is this body paragraph mostly about, right? That means in step 2, I also have to box in the reason. So the second reason we should visit the Science Center is the interactive experiments. Keyword that stands out right here is interactive experiments. This is my reason 2 that correlates to body paragraph 2, right? Done that. Step 3, what you guys have to do is find facts that support reason 2 in the body paragraphs, right? So when I look at interactive experiments, what words come to mind, right? Interactive experiments are like activities, hands-on activities, right? Things you do with your hands, you go through, like VRs or anything like that. So here I'm looking for keywords such as activities, right? Step 3 is find the facts that support the reason. All right, facts that support the reason, and my reason is interactive experiments. In the discovery room, students can use activity kits that help them learn by doing such things as fingerprinting and magnification. Activity, keyword here is activity because we're doing something. Activity kits that help them learn by doing things, right? So that's fact 1. Next sentence says, there is an activity for investigating climate change. Another activity, right? That's 2. Students can study the x-rays of people and animals in an activity called X-ray vision. Another keyword here, activity called X-ray vision. That is fact 3. So, by first finding the topic sentence, boxing in the second reason for body paragraph 2, I know that the topic of this paragraph is interactive experiments. That means students are going to do certain activities, right? To support that reason, to support the claim that the Science Center is the best choice for 7th grade field trip, right? Okay, that's time, right here. Pretty good. I did like 6 minutes. It's not bad, not bad. Okay, so what questions do you have for me as far as step 1, 2, or 3? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Does anyone need any clarification? Right? Pretty straightforward? Yes?
Do we have to write the steps on our paper? Or if we want to?
I encourage you to write them. You don't have to write them word for word, bar for bar, but annotate. Just annotate. Paraphrase it. Again, step 3 can be about facts. Step 2, underline topic sentence, box reason. Step 1, read the paragraph. Right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna use 3 volunteers. 1 for step 1. Step 2, another one, and step 3, I'm gonna need another one. Let's see who has the good luck.
Bad luck. Which one was the bad luck?
Why bad luck?
Because no one, most students don't want to do this.
Okay, step 1, read the paragraph. We're gonna read body paragraph 3. Not my camera woman. Okay.
You should answer the
It's
question.
telling me something.
You should answer the question.
Camera woman
It's
has
fine, it's
bad
fine.
luck.
Okay. If you do it one more time, you probably. Okay. Wow.
Where you going?
Ryan.
This is the thing with the.
Bad for the video.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Taylor. Taylor.
Nice.
Thank you, Taylor, for Dylan's points. Extra points, actually, for you. All right. Can you do step 1? Read, right, the body paragraph. Body paragraph 3.
The last reason our class should take a field trip to the Science Center is the affordability. Since it is only a 30-minute drive from the school, the bus rental and gas required will be at minimal cost. The Science Center offers group rates for school groups, so admission will cost less than usual. Students can be required to bring their own lunch or get a pre-packed lunch from the school cafeteria. That way the school will not have to spend extra money providing healthy meals for the students.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, good job. Step 2, underline the topic sentence and box in the reason.
I'm gonna guess Andrew.
You guessed too early.
Andrew.
You guessed too late.
Andrew.
Too early, now it's too late.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Nothing's too perfect for you.
Alright, thank you. Step 2, Andrew. Underline the topic sentence and box in the reason. What is the topic sentence?
Last reason our children should take the pictures in Science Center. That's the topic sentence. And then,
Is what?
and then the reason is affordable.
What is it?
Affordable.
It's affordability, yes. Okay, so this is my topic sentence, right? I know affordability is my reason, right? This is what the paragraph is mostly about. Paragraph 3 is about affordability. Okay, so when I think about affordability, Andrew, what do you think of?
Cheap.
Cheap, okay, cheap. What else? It's cheap, it's what? Think of,
Possible.
hmm?
I don't know. Manageable.
money. Think of money, right? So we need to find keywords here that talk about money. Money, cost, right? Step 3, find the 3 facts to support the reason. I need help with the 3 facts.
I'm gonna guess.
Case.
There ain't no way I guess it.
Perfect timing.
Wow.
Chacon,
Yo.
welcome
Now,
back.
we get water.
Yes. Chacon. So, when you were gone, we did step 1. We read the body paragraph. Andrew found the topic sentence and boxed in the reason. He said the reason, right? The key points of this body paragraph is affordability. So we were looking for sentences that talk about affordability, cost, money. Can you find one in body paragraph 3? One fact. One fact about money.
Lunch.
Lunch? What about lunch?
Money.
Yeah, but what about it?
The cost money.
Can you read what sentence number?
Number 4.
Okay, read it.
Students can be required to bring their own lunch or get a pre-packed lunch from the school cafeteria.
Okay, yeah. You don't have to spend money on buying at the science center, right? You can bring your own lunch, or you can get it from the school cafeteria. Can you find another one?
The second sentence too.
Can you read the
Number
second
4.
sentence?
That way the school will not have to spend extra money providing healthy meals for the students.
Well, that's just explaining why it's beneficial for students to bring their own lunch or get one from the cafeteria. Something else
Number
then.
3. Number 3.
Sentence 3, what is sentence 3?
Also, the Science Center offers group rates for school groups, so admission will cost less than usual.
Okay, yes, so group rates. Group rates would be a second fact. Group rates are, if they charge you $5 per person, if you bring the whole class, we'll charge you $1 per person, right? That's a group rate. Last fact, the last fact. Let's see,
Who's gonna be Andrew?
it's going to be
Brian.
Brian. Hey, that's what the Wheel of Fortune says. Wheel of Name says you're gonna find fact 3. We found 1, 2, what's another one that talks about money?
Number 2.
Okay, read it.
Since it is only 30 minutes drive from school, the bus rental and gas supply will be at minimum cost.
Minimal cost. Yeah, it's only a 30-minute drive from school, and gas is expensive, right? So gas will cost less. That is fact number 3. Right, so we found, right, the topic sentence, we found the reason, we found the 3 facts that support the reason, and that reason will support the claim. Okay. Before I release you to complete numbers 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom independently, right? I'm gonna ask you again. Show me from 1, I'm lost. 4, I can get up here and teach it, right? 3 is I can do it independently. 2 is like, I can sort of get it, you know, might need a little help. So, show me with your hands before we start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 8, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 7, 8, 3, 3. Samantha, how do you feel? So ones. Leo, right? You showed me ones?
Actually,
No, you showed me. You come sit over here. Right over here. The rest of us, right? If you showed me a 2, work with someone next to you that has a 3 or 4s, right? Anyone? So Andrew, you can work with Freddie. I'm going to leave the steps up, right? I'm going to work with Brian and Casey, since he's just joining us. I'm going to set a timer for about 5 minutes. Hey.
Can I borrow 3 more students, Mr. Ortega? Ladies and gentlemen, if you hear your name, grab your things and come.
Go for it, go for it.
I'm sorry. Emerson, Brian, and Leo. Thank you, Mr. Ortega.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Brian. Okay. Wow. Saved by the bell. Okay, I'll give you guys 6 minutes. No, I'll give you guys about 5 minutes and 45 seconds to work on the rest of the page independently, right? You have to find the reason, have to find the 3 facts, and then at the end, you have to decide which body paragraph is most likely to get students excited about the field trip. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Any questions? Go for it, go for it. Hey, hit it me.
Bye-bye, Casey.
Who's your best friend?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. So check on that. Put the questions on the board. Again, we'll go over it. Okay. So number 1 says, write the reasons in the body paragraph. Mm-hmm. I get it. Write the reasons in the body paragraph. 3. Right? Okay. And you guys did most of the heavy lifting here, so. Is that a reason? Remember step 2? Box the reason. So the reason is? Okay. You guys are just all one thing. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Step 2 says underline the topic sentence, box the reason. Question 1 says write the reason in body paragraph 3. Then
What's the third one?
body paragraph 3.
Oh.
Write the reason and list the 3 facts that support a student's choice, or did most of them. Some of them. So if the reason is what? So now we have to find 3 facts that talk about affordability. Okay, so you're looking for keywords like money, cost, dinero. Right? So you don't have to write the whole paragraph. You can paraphrase it. Obviously, they don't give you enough space, so I would write the keywords, right?
He's helping me.
Oh, okay. Number 3, the key word is likely to get students excited, right? Students. We have about a minute left. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. Ms. Taylor's right. We're gonna go over it in about 40 seconds. So, for reason, you can answer reason.
I'm going to guess, Liam.
The ones that are not here. Okay.
I'm going to guess Alex. Never mind. I guess Kimberly.
Kimberly Mata. Okay. Kimberly Mata, you're gonna tell me reasons? A reason. Alright, time's up. Time's up. Kimberly Mata, what is the reason in body paragraph 3? It's affordable. It's affordability. Yes. Okay. 3 reasons why it's affordable.
Jesus.
Jesus.
I told you.
Jesus. What are the 3 reasons why it's affordable?
So the first reason is that the bus rental and gas is at a minimal cost. The second reason is that the admission will cost less than usual.
Yeah.
And the third reason is that the students are required to pack their own lunch.
Okay, so yeah. Reason A, it's a 30-minute bus ride, so gas is cheap. B is they give group rates, right? And C is lunch will be provided. Okay, good. Last one, 3. This one,
I'm going to guess Caleb. I told
Caleb,
you.
the one that's not here.
I'm guessing.
So how are you getting? How are you getting it?
Because I'm smart. I mean, I'm a good guesser.
Okay.
I'm guessing Grace.
All right. Grace. Grace, which of these 2 body paragraphs is most likely to get students excited about this field trip? Explain why.
I put body paragraph 2 because it talks about the activities they get to do, and body paragraph 3 talks about the affordability, and students don't pay attention to that.
That's a perfect answer. Perfect answer. Yes. So paragraph 2 talks about, like Ms. Mata told me earlier, talks about students having fun. Paragraph 3 is about affordability. That's more towards the school district, the schools, the ones that are paying for it, right? You guys not worried about it? Not right now. Okay. So you can use your riding highway workbooks, right?
Oh, we're having it.
Right, yesterday, right, it's time for an exit ticket. Yesterday we talked about types of facts. Today we talk about topic sentences, identifying reasons, and looking up the facts to support those reasons that will essentially support those claims, right? Do we have any questions before we take our exit ticket? Now's the time to ask. Was it step 1, step 2, step 3? Huh?
It's going to be hard.
Is it gonna be hard? Not really. I don't think so.
Not really. Not really.
Okay, I'm gonna pass it out. I do want to read the paragraph with you guys,
Time for
right?
it over.
Not yet, not yet. Go, it's yours. Go. Go. I do want everyone to have enough time and the same amount of time. So I'm going to read this clearly and fast. So, all right, flip it over. At the top you have your name, period, right? The directions are you're gonna read the following paragraph and answer the questions, identify the topic in each paragraph, and list the 3 facts that support the reason. The paragraph is as follows. Playing a sport in high school is important because it promotes physical health, right? First, participating in sports helps students stay active and fit. For example, regular practice and games can help maintain a healthy weight and improve cardiovascular health. Second, playing a sport can increase strength and endurance. When students engage in activities like running, swimming, or playing basketball, they build muscle and stamina. Lastly, sports can improve coordination and flexibility. Activities like soccer or gymnastics require good hand-eye coordination and flexibility, which are essential for overall physical development. Your task is identify the topic sentence, find the reason, find 3 facts to support it. At the end, pick a fact that will get students excited about why they should play a sport in high school and explain why. We have about 5 minutes of class, give or take, so I'll give you guys about 5 minutes. Go.
What's after this?
That's it.